In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Google to access Squarespace and its intuitive marketplace. Whether you're looking to build a stunning website for your business, personal brand, or anything else, understanding how to efficiently use these tools can make your journey much easier. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to ensure you're logged into your Google account. By using Google, we're taking advantage of its powerful search capabilities to get exactly where we want to go without hassle. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see the simple and familiar Google logo and search bar right in the center of your screen. Now the goal is to get to Squarespace, a platform renowned for its user-friendly interface and stunning templates for website creation. In the Google search bar, type Squarespace and hit enter. You should see Squarespace's official website link as one of the top results. Click on that link to be directed to the homepage of Squarespace. Here you can explore various templates and services, but for now, we'll head toward the marketplace. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to locate the section known as the Squarespace Marketplace. The Marketplace is a fantastic resource where you can connect with experts for tailored services, including design assistance, custom code solutions, and marketing strategies. To navigate there with ease, look for a link or a tab labeled something like Get Help or Marketplace. Upon reaching the Squarespace Marketplace, you should see an option that says Get Matched. This feature is specifically designed to match you with a professional expert who can cater to your specific needs, ensuring you get the personalized support required to make your website shine. Simply click on Get Matched, and you'll be on your way to enhancing your Squarespace experience with professional guidance. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated from Google to the Squarespace website and into the marketplace where expert help is just a click away. This straightforward approach efficiently leads you through the steps needed to access all the resources Squarespace offers its users. Taking these steps ensures you're not just creating a website, but building a beautiful, functional online space that reflects your vision and goals. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope this walkthrough has provided you with the clarity and confidence to explore Squarespace's powerful tools via Google. Remember, the internet is filled with resources, and knowing how to navigate them step by step can significantly empower your digital presence. Happy designing!